Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Log In. Today I'm back with another brand new video to show you guys how to log in into your M&S Bank account. First of all, just go into any search browser that you are using, then go onto the search bar and just type in M&S Bank login and hit enter. After doing so, click on the first link that pops up. This will take you to the official website of M&S Bank. And here you can see you need to input your username so that you can continue to your bank account. After inputting your username, just click on continue and then you will be presented on a new screen where you need to input your password as well so that you can continue truly to your M&S Bank account. And then after inputting your correct password and hitting on login, then you'll be logged in into your M&S Bank account. So guys, that's how you log in into your M&S Bank account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.